Hi everyone. So today's topic is like go deep instead of going broad. What does it mean? So I was going through a video and I learned this beautiful thing that instead of focusing on multiple things, you focus on one thing. And then I thought that yes, I was doing the same mistakes from quite some time, that focusing on multiple things and good at nothing, right? So I'm going to share what mistakes I did. When I used to see other people are doing this medium, that medium, acrylic, oils, watercolors, and gouache and whatnot. And I used to get, um, that kind of dopamine hit when I see their works. Oh my god, this medium is looking so good. Let me try this. Then we see some other medium, so then I was trying that. Then another medium, and then I was trying that. So what was happening? I was not able to focus on any of that, and I was not good at any of those mediums. I was just a mediocre with mediocre paintings because I was not going deep, I was going broad. So, this is the biggest mistake I was doing, and I know many of my students did this mistake in past, and few of them are still doing it. So, you are just wasting your time like I did. I wasted so many years just by focusing on multiple mediums. And when I understood this, that I just need one skill, I just need one medium. And if I can make beautiful paintings or I can master that medium, I can make lots and lots of good things from that particular medium. I can teach, I can sell my works, I can become unique artist. So you have to find your USP. What is your USP? So I realized that okay, I do oil pastels and I teach oil pastel realism that most of artists are not doing. So I try to niche down, and still I'm experimenting a lot and I'm trying multiple things, that how we can prepare the paintings that looks another level, and plus how we use the different combinations of pastels. So my focus is just my one medium, not focusing on multiple, not focusing on oils and acrylics and watercolors. I have seen like beginners, they ask me, can you teach me this medium? After some time, they will switch to another medium. They will also join my program. And after that, they feel like, oh, I like that medium, I want to do that. So, most of us are distracted, and this distraction will not, this will not give you anything. You will not go anywhere. You will always stay stuck at that same place, even for, years. So it's better focus on one thing, focus on one medium, give that medium at least 6 months. Why 6 months? Because when you give time, you go deep, you learn a lot of things, you become confident, and you can create wonderful masterpieces in that medium. And then you can think about like how you can monetize it. You can teach someone else, you can take commission works, you can teach someone how to paint, you can conduct your offline online workshops. So there are multiple ways to monetize one skill. So I have picked oil pastel, what you like and what you want to stick to, or and what you want to monetize. Let me know in comment section. Bye for now.